Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Welcome back into Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz along with you for a look at weather. Starting off with another great photograph. This one sent in by Bill Cody. Mount McKinley in the distance. If you look off there to the left bottom corner of your screen, you can see Mount McKinley with the sunshine behind it. Thanks a lot, Bill, for that photograph. If you have a photograph, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. What's going on at the airport right now? We still have some light snow falling, 7 degrees after a high of 13. That was nice. A low of 3. The record high 42, 1940. Record low 52 below 1911. Sunrise at 9:39. Sunset 4:33. We will go over 7 hours of daylight tomorrow. That's nice to pass along. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite picture. You can see most of the moisture moving into Canada. Not too much on the way into our direction. Another storm system way down to the south that might be affecting us by the end of the weekend. But for right now, clear skies and temperatures continuing very comfortable. Speaking of what's going on in the satellite and radar, you can see the radar showing we have a little bit of snow shower activity moving in from the west, but nothing really heavy expected, and that will move out pretty fast too. What's going on across the rest of the state? Showers over southeast Alaska, fog around Bowl, also foggy around Bethel, cloudy skies at Nome, and some snow shower around Barrow with partly cloudy to cloudy skies in the Fort Yukon area. Lower 48 weather, things have calmed down considerably. Cold temperatures across the central portion of the country with, once again, not too much action except for some lake effect snows going on. You can see the cold air spinning around the jet stream there, and the jet stream again shows up once again very well defined, again driving that cold air in from Canada across much of the Great Lakes all the way down into the deep south. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow for the northern sections, flurries and fog for Barrow, scattered snow in Nome, and about an inch of snow expected for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at scattered clouds, a little cooler for Fairbanks and Healy. Over southeast Alaska, still pretty wet and messy down there. Rain and snow for Juneau and rainy in Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, not too bad. Partly cloudy for Bethel, rain and snow at Cold Bay and also at Kodiak. And over the south central regions, it looks like just partly cloudy skies at Anchorage, some snow for Homer, cloudy skies in Valdez. And okay, once again for our kids' weather, all this week we've been visiting with the kids from Tuckasuk Brown Elementary School, but tonight we're going to have the teacher with an interesting weather fact.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Nelson along with Mrs. Mardo. This is our 3rd grade class here at Tuckasuk Brown Elementary School, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know the wettest place on earth is in India, where close to 480 inches or 40 feet of rain falls each year?
And they were pretty amazed by that. Next week, the kids will be visiting us from Two Rivers Elementary School. One more chance to check out our road conditions for tonight, brought to you by the Jose Body and Paint folks over there, and also the Department of Transportation. Icy roads, black ice in some areas, and some areas of snow. Basically, just some really sloppy conditions and very dangerous, so keep that in mind. Okay, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Looking at 8 degrees below zero with lingering snow showers. Tomorrow's forecast, 3 degrees above, a little cooler than today. And the extended forecast, again, looking not too bad. Temperatures still above normal until we get into the Tuesday, Wednesday period. Then we drop down to around 0 and also the minus degree category. And we're looking at overnight lows also getting quite cold as we're looking at not too much on the way of precipitation. Looks like things will be drying out considerably, but not as cold, obviously, as previously.